Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. Today I just got in the mail the Warrior 2 palette from Juvia's place. This is what the palette looks like. It is fabulous. I right away just fell in love. Did a very quick look and it worked well, it didn't blend away, all of those things. So if you want to see how I got this look using this palette, please keep watching. Today I'm pretty excited. I just got in the mail the Warrior 2 palette from Juvia's place. This is an all matte palette. And I'm really enjoying all matte eyeshadows right now. So I'm pretty stoked about this one. Because I can't imagine that I'm not going to love it. I love all the Juvia's place stuff. This is the same size as the other Warrior palette, which I have somewhere around here. And this is what it looks like on the outside. Look at those oranges and brick red and chocolate and cocoa and khaki. Oh, it's fabulous. It's fabulous. I hope it's going to be fabulous. Because I'm already so excited about it. We're going to try and get through this video without my camera going on the kaputs. Because it's definitely trying. Definitely. I already have all my other makeup done. I am filming today and getting ready for an event. And I'm not actually getting ready yet. I'm testing some things first. Because I didn't know it was today. You'll hear that in one of my other videos. Alright. So I'm just going to put on some of this Agave lip treatment from Bite. It's been helping with my chapped lips so much. I'm really enjoying it. This is the maple one, and I thought that, you know, oh, maple, it's going to smell like maple. It smells a little bit like maple, but it's not overpowering or any of that. It's just right. So, I'm like trying to rush that camera. That bloody camera is going to be the death of us. This, we're on the hunt. Get some eye primer down. This is going to be the last use. Yes, it is. We are done with that Lorac. I think that was my last tube of Lorac eye primer. Thank goodness. Thank goodness for using up Lorac. You are a hero. Alright, I'm going to go into this white shade right here, and I'm just going to set my eyes down a little bit. Because I want to. Because you can. Because you want to. That is actually beautiful little ecru color there because it's actually showing up a little bit white on my lids, and I love that. Ivory, I guess I would say. That's really what it is. It's an ivory. I'm going to go into the shade right here, and I'm going to put it in my transition. Let's see what we get. Oh, gosh. There is not one Juvia's Place palette I do not own because they are fabulous. And they're inexpensive. I got this palette for $11 on Black Friday. Like, are you kidding me? $11? I can't even get an e.l.f. palette from Walmart for that. It's ridiculous. Alright. we are going to go into this khaki color. Oops, this khaki color right here. And I'm going to put that like in the middle to the outer part of my eye. And just pat it on. Blend it later. Loving you, Juvia's Place. Okay. Now I'm going to go into this darker chocolate right here, and I'm going to put that into my crease. I'm using the same brush I did with the khaki. We're going to go back into that white. I know that much. That ivory shade, should I say. Damn. Darn. Dang. Dang, that's the word I'm supposed to put in. Dang. Dang. I lost some of my khaki color. There. I am going to go in with this darker chocolate color and just deepen up the outer bit a little smudge. Just a little bit on my outer V. I should bring you guys in closer, but that would imply I know what the hell I'm doing, and I don't. I knew it. I knew I was going to be in love with this palette. A little kick up, but nothing I wouldn't expect. Going back into that crease color, that light tan. Then I'm going to take that khaki-ish color and I'm going to I want to make that the focal point of my eye, and it seems to keep wanting to go away. Alright, we're going to put some of that underneath our eye. Really smoke that out. And we're going to go into that chocolate next to it. So first I went here and then I went here. This is like a mini pencil brush. It's just for me. I have more control with it. So I like it a little bit better than my bigger pencil brushes. I don't have any quite as small. I'm going to go in with that white, kind of touch my brow bone with it. Yeah. Let's do a little blending here. And believe it or not, that is going to be like my quick look with this. This would be like a get ready with me, a work look. I would totally wear this to work. Throwing a touch of mascara. We'll put a lippy on too. And then we'll be on our way to work. Not really, but... And I think I'm actually going to go with a darker lip. Just because... But because I can. Because I can. Because she does what she wants all the time. Yikes. No, that is not the right color, Susan. Actually, I think I'm going to go in. No, I'm not going to do that. Better with me. I don't know what I'm doing. What happened to her? She used to be so good at this. Nope. That's the wrong shade as well. Nope. We may end up with an orange. We're going to end up with my Juvia's Place orange from the Afrique collection. Do you see it? Do you see what I just did? It's it! Okay. Alright guys, so this is my quick look with the Warrior 2 palette. With this. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, everybody, thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back shortly. Love you guys. Mwah.